Hello! What's up? Not March here. This is WWR Dippin' Wrestler 275. Back at you with another video right now as we speak. I just left my sister and brother-in-law's house. I'm heading to work right now as we speak. I'm just down the street from their house. Today is gonna be freaking amazing. I bet it's gonna be jam-packed maybe throughout the day because it's supposed to freaking snow today. So yeah, they're saying like 5 to 4 inches of freaking snow. It hasn't rained yet, but yeah, I've got my coat and my gloves here in my car. I'm just wearing like 2 layers of pants and like 3 layers of shirts and stuff, shirts and sweatshirts. So yeah, let's hope I'm warm today pushing carts. I hope I am. Should be a nice time to this. This is like snow on the ground, kind of, but not really. I've got my lights on. I don't know what that stuff is. I think it's like snow or ice, one of the two. There's a lot of people on the road today. Here comes a big old Dodge Diesel with some frickin' stacks. Look at that. Oh yeah. But yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later when I'm closer to work or something. So yeah, peace. Okay, what's up, YouTube? Not March here. I'm back at you once again with another video. I just got to work and right now it's 9:08 p.m. Not really doing nothing. Just sitting in my car as of right now. I gotta be in at 9:30, be clocked in and everything like that. Which I will be, so yeah. Because it's 9:08 and I'm already here. Oh, did you guys see what I got? I'll show you guys if you guys in it. It's a car freshener, it's pretty badass. I have it hanging from my mirror. That's it. So it's pretty cool. I really like it. I seen that Shade-Hards had one in their new truck, so I decided to put mine on there. I guess it's illegal to have them up there, but I'm not 100% positive or not if it's illegal. At least my brother-in-law and my sister is saying, oh, it's illegal and they can pull you over for it if they want you to because it's a hazardous thing because it blocks your view or some crap like that. I'm not really 100% sure or not, but yeah, that's what everybody's been telling me. There's a cart pusher here. His name's Ryan. He's picking up garbage as of right now. He came in at 7 a.m. So he's going to be going on his 15-minute break here pretty soon, I'm assuming. But yeah, I'm just going to sit here and chill for a little bit. Then after that, I'm going to go clock in. So I guess I'll see you guys on my first 15-minute break or either that around my lunchtime if it's snowing. So yeah, be looking. Anyways, I guess I'm out, so peace. Okay, so what's up, YouTube? Not March here. Right now I'm on my 15-minute break on my first 15. Just sitting here in my car, as you guys can tell. Do you guys like my new coat? I do. But yeah, right now it's 10 as we speak. And yeah, guess what? We're getting some flurries right now. I'll show you guys. Here, look. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but can you guys even see that? Well, either way, if you guys can or can't, we're getting some flurries. So that's pretty cool. I'm very glad about that. It's not really that hard or anything, but it just started happening not too long ago. So it's kind of flurrying, so that's pretty cool. I really like that. It's not really sticking or anything that I can tell. But yeah, anyways, I get off at 5:30 today. It's just me, cart pusher, Ryan, cart pusher, Keegan. He's a new cart pusher, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, I guess I'll see you guys on my lunch break. So yeah, peace until then. Okay, so this is from just a few minutes ago. It's starting to stick on that car. And it's starting to stick on mine a little bit too. It's coming down pretty damn good. And just started doing this like right after I turned off the video camera. That's so cool. Look at it. It's just freaking amazing. It's just freaking snowing. Look at this. It's still snowing. I'm in the flippin' snow, guys. This is amazing. Starting to stick right now. Look at that. Sticking on that pavement right there. There's all these cars. Here's my poor car. Oh, dude, look back there. Sticking even more over back there. Can you see that? Or am I just seeing things? No, that's freaking snow back there. It's freaking hot. Walmart's freaking packed today. Oh, it's freaking amazing, guys! I love it! Look at this. Snow. It's freaking snowing, guys. Look at that. You can't hardly even see over there. It's so cool. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Alright, so I'm still at work right now. Here's my car as of right now, and here's what it looks like. It's still coming down. Getting kind of icy. This is Iowa snow for you, so it's pretty cool. Can't complain, you know what I mean? I kind of like it. I'm kind of worried about driving home a little bit, but other than that, I'm not. I think I should be able to drive home safe and sound, but I do not know. I don't know. I just hope I can make it home safe, which I think I can. I'm a new driver and all, but I think I can make it home safe and sound. Want to see what it looks like in my car with the snow? Okay, so what's up, YouTube? Not much here. My brother-in-law is scooping the driveway here right now. Well, after he moves the car that's behind me and after I move my car. So I'm going to have to drive around the block. As you guys know from this vlog, we have got snow. Yesterday this died when I was getting in my car at work. To show you what it looked like with the snow on top of my windshield when I was sitting in my car. This is the back of his yard, his garage, and look up there. That's cool. That is cool. There's his neighbor scooping shovel. I think his name is Phil or something like that. He's a pretty cool dude. I met him yesterday. It's 10:45 a.m. right now. I've got work at about 12:30, so yeah. I'm gonna help him scoop the driveway a little bit. But yeah, anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later in the next clip, so peace. Okay, so here's down the hill from my brother-in-law's house, like over there. Pretty cool. We're gonna turn up the street. This is a lot of flipping snow, guys. Do you guys ever get this much snow? This is so cool. I think people have been going on the four-wheeler and driving the four-wheeler and stuff a little bit. This is a lot of flipping snow though. Whole lot of snow, guys. You guys like it? Good, because you guys are better. I hope you guys like it. Now there's a big huge tractor too. There's somebody scooping. Old granny. We're gonna go that way to my brother-in-law's house. I love the snow, as you guys can tell. Maybe I'll do some cookies later for you guys. Maybe I'll try to. I'm kind of worried about if I flip my car or not, if I try doing cookies. But yeah, I guess I'll let you guys go, so yeah, peace.